In today's video, I'm going to show you how I built this minimalistic monitor stand. It's very simple to make and only consists of a few parts. To make the stand, I can simply screw the furniture legs into the shelf and leave it at that. But I wanted to take it a bit further and gave it a unique touch. So I decided to round off the corners. Gave it a light sanding and then apply some mahogany stains. Once it all dried, I applied a few coats of varnish. Finally, I installed the furniture legs. So here's the finished monitor stand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for future projects. Thanks for watching.